Alright. Damn it, I just had my pick 2 seconds ago. I better play just as good with this other pick, I'll tell you what. Anyways, this is very random. I didn't plan on doing this. I'm going to tell you right now, I don't play this song the exact way it should be played, so don't damn judge me, okay? Anyways, this is a great new song, I Drive You a Truck by Lee Brice, who's an amazing artist. And, I don't know, I've had a lot of joy today, so I figured why not do this song. And I know it's a little dark, and I apologize. Anyways, if you're tuning in, thank you very much. I'm glad. I don't know how you got here, but I'm glad you did. And it really would mean a lot if you liked it and subscribed to my channel and leave me a comment or two to up my self-esteem, because sometimes I feel like hanging myself with a rope. I'm joking. Anyways, here it goes. Great song. This song hits me a lot because I had a friend of mine when I was 17, when he was 17 who passed away. His mom gave me his vehicle, and I think when you can relate to a song more, there's just so much more to it. Anyways, here it goes. Without further ado, thank you again for watching. 89 cents in the ashtray, half-empty bottle of Gatorade rolling in the floorboards. That dirty Braves cap on the dash, dog tags hanging from the rear view, old school kid in cowboy boots, and a gold on his shirt, folded in the back. This thing burns gas like crazy, and that's alright. People got their ways of coping, and I've got mine. I drive your truck, I roll every window down, I burn up every back road in this town. I find a field, I tear it up till all the pain's a cloud of dust. Yes, sometimes I drive your truck. Same old country station where you left it. Yeah, man, I crank it up, and you'd probably punch my arm right now if you saw this tear rolling down my face. Mama asked me this morning if I've been by your grave, but the flagging stone and where I feel you anyway. I drive your truck, I roll every window down, I burn up every back road in this town. I find a field, I tear it up till all the pain's a cloud of dust. Yes, sometimes I drive your truck. I've cussed and prayed, shook my fist and said goodbye, and I ask God why. These days when I'm missing you this much, I drive your truck. I burn up every back road in this town. I find a field, tear it up till all the pain's a cloud of dust. Yes, sometimes I drive your truck. I hope you don't mind, I hope you don't mind. I drive your truck. Yeah, I messed up more than I planned on messing up. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. It's a great song. If you haven't heard it already by Lee Brice, you gotta hear his version, because He's the man. Anyways, God bless. Thanks again for watching.